In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Workspace tools to organize team files, manage communications, schedule events, track shared tasks, and collaborate more smoothly. We'll begin in Google Chrome by opening Google Drive. This is a great starting point because Drive acts as a central hub for shared company folders and documents. Once you're in Drive, take a moment to locate the folders that have been shared with your team. Organizing these folders clearly can save a lot of time later, especially when multiple people need quick access to the same files. As you review what's available, think about how the folders are grouped so everything stays easy to find and consistent for everyone. Next, move over to Gmail and create color-coded labels for incoming client messages. Labels are one of the simplest ways to bring structure to a busy inbox. By assigning different colors to different categories, you make messages much easier to scan at a glance. This is especially helpful when you're managing multiple conversations and need to quickly separate urgent client emails from general updates or follow-ups. As you set this up, keep your label names clear and practical so your system stays useful over time. After that, open Google Calendar and schedule team events using the Find a Time feature. This tool is especially useful when you're coordinating with several people and want to avoid unnecessary back and forth. As you add your event details, find a time to check everyone's availability and choose a slot that works for the group. This helps reduce scheduling conflicts and makes planning meetings much more efficient. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in keeping your team aligned. From there, launch Google Keep to sync shared task checklists with your team. Keep is ideal for lightweight task tracking, especially when you want something quick, visual, and easy to update. Shared checklists can help everyone stay aware of progress without needing a more complex project management system. As tasks are completed, your team can update the list in real time, which helps maintain visibility and accountability across the group. Finally, collaborate in real time by tagging teammates directly inside Google Docs. When you mention someone in a document, it helps draw their attention to a specific section, question, or action item without needing to send a separate message. This keeps communication connected to the work itself and makes collaboration feel much more seamless. It's a simple habit that can improve clarity, speed up feedback, and help your team stay productive inside one shared workspace.